Chemistry, physics, and chickens, oh my. Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and it's finally gotten warm enough that we could move our chickens outside. So I thought I'd take this moment to tell you a little bit about the Chickenology class I'm teaching for our local homeschoolers. And I know it's been a little while since I've had a public video out. I shot over 50 videos in the month of February for the classes I was teaching, and I was just kind of done shooting videos for a while. But we're starting to gear up for my next class, Chickenology, where we will be exploring the secret lives of chickens, and we'll be also looking at the physics that goes into how an incubator works, so the temperature, humidity that it takes for chicken eggs to hatch, and the chemistry of a chicken egg. We'll be doing a number of experiments to understand how chicken egg actually works and can grow into a baby bird. Chickenology is going to be a really fun class. You're going to get to watch baby birds hatch while exploring electronics and chemistry of chicken eggs, so definitely worth checking out in the description below. Let me walk you through what comes in the Chickenology lab kit. You'll get a paper plate and some peeps. We're doing peep jousting. Some toothpicks that you'll get to make into peep weapons so that they can fight each other in the microwave. You'll get some electronics. I will be actually building a incubator from scratch, and also have a commercial incubator that will be comparing against the one that I build. And different components that are going to be part of that incubator are included in the kit. Some of the electronics that are going to be in the incubator that I'm going to build and show you guys are included in the kit, such as the temperature and humidity sensor. We'll look at the chemistry of chicken eggs. So you've got a beaker where you'll be able to make a bouncy egg and do a few other experiments on eggs. There's a pipette where you can try poking and prodding stuff, and some stir sticks. And of course gloves so you can be not totally gooified with nasty egg stuff. During the course of the Chickenology class, we'll be actually hatching out baby chickens. And you'll get to see this streamed over the internet when it happens. But going along the way, we'll candle the eggs, so you'll get an actual flashlight you can do this with, and a bunch of other things to just explore with eggs. Chickenology is going to be an egg sighting class. Check it out in the link below, and thanks for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe.